How to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. While the process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can go ahead and open up Binance and log into your account. Here at the bottom right corner of your screen, you should be able to find the wallets option. Simply tap on wallets option. Once you tap on balance option here, you can see what you want to do is here you want to select the option here that says withdraw. Now in my case, I don't have the withdraw option. As you can see, I have the option to add funds because I have verified my account and I have indeed not added any funds to my account, so you can see no any trading and such. But once on wallet, you should be able to see the option here that says what you want to do is you want to click on withdraw, then you want to choose fiat option, not crypto, then you want to select your currency and then choose your bank transfers as your withdrawal method. Enter in your bank details next and you'll be able to withdraw. So this is how you can withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.